Hi, I'm Thomas Howe with McGrew Real Estate. And it's March, and in Lawrence, March means tournaments, basketball. It means Jayhawks making a good long run in the NCAAs, and hopefully a big celebration in early April after the Final Four. But I'm not here to talk about basketball, I'm here to give you some numbers. So instead of talking hoops, we're going to go over the X's and O's of what the Lawrence real estate market has done. For the houses which have sold so far this year, we're looking at that average of $186,000, and that compares to 2013's average of $182,000. That's about a 2% increase. And so, although last year was an extremely strong year, we do continue to see growth, we continue to see appreciation, we continue to see the value of homes up pretty nicely. So of the 131 homes which have sold so far year to date, those homes had averaged 95 days on the market. Now, there are probably some anomalies in that number. We're up substantially from where we were at the end of January. But if you compare that to 121 days for homes which are actively for sale, what we're really looking at, and I say this probably each month, is that sellers whose houses don't sell in 4 months really need to look at their pricing and their marketing strategy. We're down a little bit in terms of the sale to list price ratio, 95.3%. I think what we're looking at there is clearing out some older inventory. As we talked earlier, our inventory has really dropped down pretty substantially. Seller's market, meaning less than 6 months absorption rate. For sellers, I think if you're going to be making it to the big dance, you're probably going to want to make sure you have a good coach, make sure your home is prepared properly, make sure that you've done your work on your numbers, put down your basics, make sure that you've got your pricing correct, and have your home prepared and ready to sell. So here we are in March. As I fill out my bracket for what's going to happen in our real estate market, I think what we're going to look at is we're going to have more sellers get interested in the market. And as things warm up, we'll see more buyers as well. I think we're going to see a lot more activity. It's likely to me we're going to see our absorption rate begin to rise. Right now we're at about 4.4 months for absorption rate. And I think we're going to see that go up a little bit. I do not see us getting up to that balanced market at 6 months worth of inventory. But I think we're going to see both more sellers and more buyers come into the market. And I think you're going to see all of them making a drive to the basket and trying to get a good value out of their property. So if you're a seller, you want to be in the market, you don't want to be sitting on the bench. And for buyers, get yourself in the game, make a drive to the basket, get off the bench. For the latest score on Lawrence market information, check us out on YouTube. And for the updated box score, go to lawrencerealestateinfo.com.